and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Yellow Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors. Yo Ghana for your English approach my muha. Ya swedi. Yenya emranimfo a wen akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akukudrofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan wo krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa sitenemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call.
We are Uber driver. And as what drive Uber pay? Oh, and you're uncommon here. Say UK Hanum Supreme Court the Abase Uber driver for a workers. I'm self-employed and I say contractor said the Uber I can't say no. Ne say anti the workers in Yabia as I say Uber driver for Ensuenya. Sick pay, holiday pay, and a minimum wage. Now so if you tintin Uber eba ye besi sabri. We Uber driver, only me buy a green set the way ya no. Ne say anti the actual nyina free tintin no. Emra so say Uber ebe compensate you. Adara for nim bi kura betimi anya akosi be £12,000. Fortwell Solicitors etu ho asi wonom say ye boa adrawer for ni titu ne Ghana for adrawer for ema omaji say SK every Uber nsem. No win no fee. Naturally say onfa kapre bakura ema Fortwell Solicitors. Nemum say sika ne ba. Yo ya hwehwam de no pepa ne nsakwa. No wa preni kakra de amaye. Numbers na egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. Obeti ma frame 07874 108 821. And as a landline no any website so egu screen so. Ma mente wonka. So you Uber driver kwa and as what driver Uber pena. Fortwell Solicitors ehwe wanim.
To Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Yellow Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors. Yo Ghana for your English approach my muha. Ya swedi. yenya emranimfo a wen akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emranimu akukudro for se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudim akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mpone se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
Anope ma mema o ache na mema o akwa aba baby biara wo tie dwumadie mema o good morning. Me gidi se ohun eye pa ye da otwedi ampo nyankopon na se aye na adom ne nepe wa hwe yen so wa boye ho ban ene da isusu no wode yen kwa asa ache yen biem ye hia na eye erade adom arakwa obi ho a wokọkọda no na oti ase ye da sorry nipa ni mu biem na se adepache odi ana eye adom arakwa na se de wunimu no eye legal hour dwumadie na edrusuo ye ne eye Fortwell Solicitors for ene hia eye ebenada bia ene de dwumadie eba eye wa kwan so ye ba na ye ba besomo efa eye immigration sensem niema ekoso ne ye ate ne ye nte ye ne ekoso ne sese wo hwe ne yie ni nyina ye ba bebo ho kokọ na se de wunim ne ye ne lawyer kwai ene edi dwumadie ebenada bia no ndubo a me kire 10 eba 10 am ni asori so 11 am pepepe 1 hour ene ye di dwumai na me confirm au sese wo how bi wo bibia e kire wo so na etete na e how na hu ne wonya wonye emranim ni nti no me confirm au se ne bomoden akọ eye Fortwell Solicitors for asuye se de be yo betimi aboa wo ewo eye sa kwan ne so abra ye di dwumadie ya no me di wo mo numbers betudwa e de amount se de be ya wo asem bi opese obisa wo mo anase opese okọ masuye na no mkodi nkomo a ni nyina soso no watimi abomoden apebre akomasue na no mo akwakotwetwe nkomo na emwa bi esese omutimi de bua obi asoso omwatimi ede aboa ewo eyesa kwan no eso Mikael say aha GN Radio UK. Midin ede Mama Lense de wonim ne na medi dwumadie ho chia me na me ne eye lawyer kwai ne ba besomo. Se opese ofre dwumadie so na wo question be quick one na ebre ma ye ho kwan ma utimi ede tudwa ofre ebisa lawyer me pacho enye de wo bebo no number 1 number 2 number 3 there be eno de oyesa na wo chiti ti ese obomoden ase obekola ya so ye na watimi aboa afa sa kwan ne ho na ye number enie ene ye won semfo bi a ye be yi ano said ye dey ato platform ne so ama so wo hwe ye free Facebook a eda ho no mo wo hwe ye e wo YouTube so a eda ho ene ye ba be yi nsemfo bi ano e de ama wo se bi a ukuna na wo yiri bi e wa ha se na ono de wo nkrata bi a wo de wuni bi wo a wuni bi no so wo krom ha de na abaye nsensem bebre bebusa questions bebre bi so ye nkofo questions a mo de aba abedan ye eno ni nyina no ye bebusa lawyer ama lawyer yi ni nyina ano e de ama ye na se wodia bia ebeyi ano enimu eno na make se ebre ma ye ho kwan e ma ye fa course eno nti no ye quick one a ye be ma ho kwan ama wafre na wabisa e de ama ye wo fresh so show appreciation so ni nyina e ho ehia enti numbers no 0203 7358820 ɛno ɛyɛ studio line numbers na mede to dwa ɛde ama wo no ɛkyerɛ me de ɛyɛ lawyer number so bɛto dwa ɛde ama wo sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛtumi afrɛ nti studio lines no twerɛto hɔ no ɛberɛ sɛ mu no wafrɛ nyɛ sisi a na abɛfrɛ daabi yɛbɛma berɛ ama lawyer akyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu ɛde akyerɛ yɛn nti no ne nsɛm a wobɛkyerɛ mu no wowɔ asɛm bi a pɛ sɛ wobisa no wɔ ho a mepatwɔ a wabɔ mmɔden aso so abisa lawyer ɛde afa numbers a mede to dwa ɛde ama wei ɛyɛ 0203-735-8820 anaasɛ 0203-2860185 ɛno yɛ studio lines a wobɛtumi afrɛ asi so na wabisa wɔ asɛm bi a pɛ sɛ wobisa lawyer anaasɛ wobɛtumi afrɛ si WhatsApp so anaa wobɛtumi ama yɛ message de afa WhatsApp yɛbɛgye berɛ akenkan de ama wo WhatsApp number no yɛ 0778-793-9958 0778-793-9958 ɛno nti no mensɛ berɛ no wohwɛ wo berɛ no a 12 minutes past 10 mame ɛma ɛyɛ lawyer akwaba na yɛmfa dwumadie no ɛnhyehyɛ so good morning lawyer.
Good morning, Mama Lay.
Patron, who you are? Yentimi enhia last
week. Yeah, who you papa.
Yentimi enhia last week now. Boko dey bia.
Na obia who you there?
Nyame adom ni kita ye.
All right. And then so the patch here nti ani etiefo no eba be pepe mu biom. Say the ammonia munimo no 30th of June em say yaba. But ya can't want someone you know and no way no yeah the different topic about to just say their boss so no were 10 key questions me person na answer Emma a month for was spouse visa category anymore. Spouse visa category is a very interesting category but very complicated as well. Normally no a month for your margin say Oma worry, person mukofa omukunu eba, and answer omukofa omoyere eba. People assume say, oh, because my worrying internet, it should be straightforward application for me. But unfortunately for them, you know, na inyema bebre ekum in order for such applications to be successful. And for that reason, you know, mkofu bebre ohonoma, or might try some bekofa omo partners aba application anya successful. A delay a momo and a questions the issues be brain so a woman and net me pese me bobo so say the American no 30th of June so away huniani internet it's something that is at the back of our mind if obi or question be regarding any EU application and as a pre-settled status next settled status application as a year before 30th of June so now the be phone lines now person with the Twitter I'm more than happy say me answer questions and amount internet Mama Lane open say questions no how person go through and answer person me go over
me obi o hono ma me pese ye busa na se de be lawyer obetimi yi ano ede amaye first of all ne pese ye hu se ebia se obi ekunu wo ha se on de wo ne ma but nipa ne ne ma se eba se oye application na ho behia se obekọ ni kroma na se baby because oni asetena ewo ebia abruchire ha se oni asetena wo UK ha se ne spouse na wo asetena enti se ba se oye application na obekọ hefa no oye application no.
All right, very, very good question because CCR EU for Baby few, you know, or be a person or worry or bidding so Enyan and Krata Biano will have to follow this process. That's even the more reason why I enamed this topic way about to a gano. Okay. For instance, say Chrome has say na say we need and Krata, we need valid permission to stay here. Then you better consider say we overstay. And typically, you know, under the immigration rules, you know, untimi enye application has on the basis of partner of a British person and as a spouse of a British person, unless say one of the exceptions under EX1 of Appendix FM, you know, apply to you. Now, you can say EX1 of Appendix FM apply to you. Ushimwa almost the categories be aba. Normally, no, say what worry obi or a British and I say or partner ekra indefinitely leave to remain. EX1 will apply to you only if only nipana ewo ba. akwala no yɛ under 18 years at the date a moyɛ application no and answer if previously we application bi be the ma and a ukratare krampo ewu a that was in existence at that time akwala no yɛ below the age of 18 years. If that is the case in your situation then it will be possible so obetimi ayɛ application e wo krom ha say without an issue. You can also make an application without an issue if at the time our year application bia na mo wo ba bia wetina krom has a minimum of 7 years our parental relationship with sa akwala no. And also very 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 important because sometimes we feel say akwala no ekra British passports pay and sana wetimi agina so e de aye application e wo krom ha say but se mo wo ba na akola na nye British because e bia papa ne mama ne nia no mo ni enkrata no mo wo akola na meaning say akola na ntimi nya ne British passport. However say akola na tina krom ha say for minimum of 7 years since ye wo akola na till the date a wo ye application na then it means say EX1 of appendix FM no will be applicable into no wetimi aye then agina so at the aye o application. Another reason why obetimi aye application e wo krom has immigration rules now if you will be a friend of insurmountable obstacles. Okay, into say we share immigration rules now almost defining insurmountable obstacles as very significant difficulties which will be faced by the applicant or their partner from continuing their family life or living outside the UK. See, insurmountable obstacle. Idea aha dream bebre. Idea court on several occasions, and most of the time, the courts have concluded say wutimi establishes significant evidence say ye kasa kofi na koye application enye possible ye kasa woni wo yire ana woni wukunu ne enkofi na monkoye application mo be struggle as a family unit. And for that reason into the enfa enkrata no emma wo krom ha say most people are not able to meet this, but you'll be able to meet this if a bia bema na waware no anase oba na waware no there are some illness, disability situation be announced. There are some compassionate grounds be or more family situation in ma so you can say because of that in the monfi krom hana monko fi nkoya application be affect more significantly. If munya mu ye healthy bibia ni hono issue bia ni hono ma me catch us as worry be British and cry indefinite leave to remain na so we need enkrata. It will be very 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 difficult for you to make an application here, especially if all the 3 points that may raise it and none of them are applied to you, then the best way I say we say ukofie na ukoye application
lawyer de yana eba ne say yana bebre no eyamo hyehi wo mo yana wo musuro say wo mo kwa na tese bia na wansa amabiem ubetimi a share and also ubetimi a guarantee say possible say ye dey a ukwa obeba.
And no, a very important question. And no, na na inkrofo ebisa say we share mandatory ban under part 9 of the immigration rules now. Does it apply to spouses of or partners of British citizens and as Omama worry Omama indefinite leave to remain now? And the straight answer is no. Very important. Say we share mandatory ban say what betina krom Hawaii overstay and for that reason so we fit krom has say na so person back and see a ban e bi ho no be ka say one na ukọ one na travel ticket e call ya we benya 12 months ban. Say home office for a EU call ya if you have just say ya ban for 10 years ultimate back room has say all those mandatory banner under part 9 of the immigration rules do not apply for people who are spouses of British nationals and as an indefinite leave to remain. A misconception a walk on and for that reason into the Uber who say Omo worry British nationals any Omomukra indefinite leave to remain. Okachomo say so Kofi and Sanwa application now. They think say bia open so mufi krom has say omuntimi empathy. And they omateti madam bi ko e wentimi amba bia we ye wentimi amba intermediate me kwa it does not apply to you unless say bia na uwo krom has say no na wa commit offense bi awunya bia custodial sentence more than 1 year. then ukwa ebetimi are affected. And yet because we overstay until I won't mean back. But because o committee offense now we have custodial sentence and nothing I won't mean my back. And other people won't mean back and here. Ebia not why yes, ebia home office factual, your mouth bill, your mouth bill on one call. Ebia mo try some of the offer nowadays some dodgy application just shimode. Then Rebecca Cho say you've made efforts say over circumvent immigration rules and for that reason you know okwa won't me back. But so we will be awaiting mu add your only offense and they say we overstay a ukrum has say then Rebecca Cho say sir mandatory banner a war part now of the immigration rules no.
Okay, yeah, like na question way so maybe say at what point do spouse or partner of a British citizen or settled person visa holders qualified for indefinite leave to remain? And no,
a very important question with this and Mama Lane. The reason is a mistake when they actually qualify for indefinite leave to remain. If Wabak Krum has say with spouse visa and I say Krum has say no akojili 2.5 years because a Biana or British child Bia Krum has say and what you need to understand and they say see a man leave to remain as a spouse and say with me a what's our route and so for 5 years and Sana will qualify for indefinite leave to remain. If you have not been here for 5 years you will not qualify for indefinite leave to remain. I must however add say there may be a group of people like ABR or application, you know, now they did not qualify all the rules now the amount for you to qualify as a spouse of a British national. Now, for instance, ABR now or Irena now on J18,600 a month, a year. Okay, you know, on qualify for financial requirements, you know. For that reason, you over to 10-year route, you know. So it is a what that 10-year route, you know. So they this a well renew one crata 2.5 years, up to 10 years, and Sana waiting me I qualify for indefinite leave to remain. It was our route way so.
Okay. All right. Abusia na and some na ye gusu ayi ya no. Say who question bi obetimi attack me maybe sa lawyer e the amount. Sa so na opese okohu lawyer mesre wa. Ma me fa lawyer number no entudwa emfa ma. Afa so no utimi bomodi akona so ye no so ebebo pa. Ene ye nsem anu ama se de onim ne ye wo June mu ye kan ye free boss so na se June no ye mbem. Ye June ni mu na ye keka ko na se de 31st me bo hu ane se ene so na alande. Ye June ni mu de ye dey at 31st no ebedi akire e de aba. Enti no say or how be eda so ana say wo bo question bi apese obusa mesro lawyer number eni ye landline no betimi afre no office line no 0203 325 7030 0203 235 7030 mobile no 07944 976 07944 and no lawyer kwai a number so person friend na me pacho wa bomodian so be friend no or into wase obetimi achechre ne memu e de amount no ka say you be sending appreciation then I say baby no wo gina no na enkoyie kura eso odi okohu eye Fortwell for no enema nyina ato din ama ne wafa ne ho asa obi awo so afa ho afa aba bibi atotota kwam fefefe e de ama ye nua no ntini srew a meka mfo ama say how be that so akohu eye Fortwell for ana so betimi quick one afre studio lines no na we free ebusa lawyer question bia chire so e wo 0203 735 8820 and 0203 2860185 me pacho WhatsApp 0778793998 ye to ayen sem bisa no so ye wo lawyer haide obeyi ano e de amaye lawyer ye kwe enuma na epese hu say can a person with a fiancé visa bring their children to the UK? Say obi say me na me bia me fiancé na odi me aba me so metimi invite me ba de na ba na.
Yeah, interesting question. Say we say what super so worry and I will be our British.
Yeah.
And also quite indefinite leave to remain. Ubetimi aye application straight away for fiancé visa. Ebi anamunya worry, ebi a person will be worry with UK.
Yeah.
Waiting apply for fiancé visa. And now so says more worry we are ubetimi aye application for spouse visa straight away. Intino say obi application successfully na onya ne fiancé visa no and say onya ne spouse visa na possible so obetime de ne ba no aiden account
okay.
but there are two scenarios here. Bia na akola na wode ne ba no they are British na enye ono no ye akola ne papa. But just ultimately say akola ne papa different. In that instance, no not just say oba be join o step parent e wa ha say. If oba be join o step parent e wa ha say then say yetimi establish say the other parent na eye ne maame na ukwakofa ne figa na aba no. Does he have sole parental responsibility? That means no pet in a the other father, not a biological father, does not have any role in the upbringing of that child. They're very, very important.
Okay.
Most applications are for a year. No, it is for that reason into the I refuse your most application.
Okay, not just a lawyer. Me patron person busa horse say be a kolana papa involve wa kolana brabo mu a. Na say wo no application na be na nya adwuma na.
There be any juma.
Wow.
Wo application na wo ye as oyere a wo ba be join wo kunu e wa ha no. Okay. Ero dey only problem. But wo ba na wo pese wo de ne kan ho e de o ne ba okunu ne ho no. Ero ne be problem because akwala ne biological father no enso e wo parental responsibility e ma sa akwala no.
Wow.
Inti no yempene ema womba. Ema akola ne emba. Inti no eno na ye mistake a ya na nkofo bebre eye. Ono ne gin say oh ma wari obi o British ne de metimi mi wo right say me de me ba beden. Ebe ka honam ne na ba ha say. But you need to establish say who also parental responsibility. Without that any possible. There must be serious and compelling family and other considerations making sure say ja akwala na and as exclude akwala na ofia undesirable. For instance, if a ban say only akwala ne pe na etifie e wo Ghana na ukunu abeware na ode wo eba very unfortunate see ebeka say untimi fa wo ban enka ho chano ho e wo no. If you are able to explain those circumstances then you may be able to qualify under the immigration rules now the ban aka ho. But oye ne trada sa now the application for to say oh me ban me birth certificate ni me my wife for front me ne eba bit na ma me ba embra ebe o sesene ye be refuse wo ba no ne de wo de na amount.
Okay. Abusua ne na wasuma se ne wo nko na bia wo hwe akwala no be ma nu na se oba no nya involve wo akwala na brabo mu dia na ne na tese se wo ba na se o de ne ka ho de ne na how bia ni ho abetimi esi ukwan e wo ho se de lawyer etiri mu no ye koye ni ma na ye bisa ensemfu ama lawyer ayi ano de amaye ye bisa no wo bia na wo de emfa mu mfa ma wo betimi de wo de asende ama ye ready ana wo betimi afre better still ama lawyer ayi ano edi amaye na lawyer yebusa say can an application for further leave to remain in the UK as the spouse or partner of a British citizen or settled person be submitted from overseas no ebeye ejuma sa
ebeye ejuma sa say ubetimi aye application ever man on
okay
what happens and they say CCR no see application ama obi no akofa na yere and also akofa ne kunu aba processing comes in two forms. Okay,
right.
The main processing in the UK over submit application or online, over submit supporting documents or online. So it depends maybe our documents and then supporting evidence in most of the time nobody not evidence in IBD UK. But documents such as marriage certificates, wedding pictures, other documents and no fee. So what means it's just a matter of you deciding say and if I now say nimia ewa ebeboa but nimia ne yewo online nti wetin aka say ye baby bia ewo UK e amount. However nipa na all be ne biometric details no so koye ewo fie. Okay, there are some parts of the application process ye be UK. There are some parts in so ye be ewo amanone. The answer is in two folds ewo ehono.
Okay. Now, you say person who say how long is a spouse or a partner of a British citizen visa valid for? How long?
So normally, so we hear application na say a year successful. Normally, about 30 days in which time say we me making sure say ubera UK within that time. Yeah, the visa na ema wa 30 days Ghana. Meanwhile no ubedu chrome has here na wakoje o biometric card ewa hase into this a application now normally be selected post officer close to you our person be kwakoje o biometric card na ewo application form no so do now say okoje before 30 days ni be wu no obekwa kwakoje sa 33 months biometric card no ewo honum making sure say wakoje nan say no we are having issues because normally no ubedu chrome has say now it is a Ghana and aba say was self-isolating for 2 weeks and I said 10 days and sana waiting me APA home office for understand the situation and for that reason you know they will wait for the 2 weeks you know and I said 10 days need to elapse and sana waiting me ako now ako J or 33 months you know, but it's very important for you to understand say before the 33 months and the you will need to make an application for further 30 months. Until the 33 months, 30 months, you know, will take you beyond 5 years, you know. I will qualify for indefinite, you know. Then you can make an application.
Okay. Na leya ya ebi mu nsema no ebi mu soso de omo de aba eno soso no ye be brobro eno soso e de ama odofo hwa obre na 32 minutes past 10 ye wo dwumedie so akosi 11 eno ntino se wo frɛ bi abetimi afrɛ quick na ye yi nsema no ama saa so na wo asembisa bi soso ne de ebusebisa nyina ye bia ye hite wo de wo so betimi de wo de aba na ye yi ano e de ama na numbers no ye 0203735880 or 0203286085 WhatsApp 0778793998 0778793998 me pachowa se opese oko eye lawyer koi aso ya eye address no eye unit 1 ground floor Catalina House 50A Clarendon Road London N80 DJ no lawyer address me pachowa ne office line 0203 3257030 0203 3257030 ni mobile 07944 976 07944 976 me pacho enese de wo hwɛ me a me de la ayini nyina egu hɔ no mo so obi a wɔ se o na lawyer number yɛ sɛ me de egu hɔ no mo na me kana asoso na me de ni nyina fefa mu de amount no wo question bi afrɛ lawyer na ebisa no after the program anase obekona sie na waboa emwa bi ase ye tententen ase ye short one de na me ma okwan am wafrɛ na wabisa na quick na ma hey na ye kwe anim lawyer ye bisa eye question does a hotel or a short stay let meet the accommodation requirement under the spouse or partner of a British citizen visa rules?
Very important point now because Nkrofo Bre struggle at that point.
Right.
For instance, Okofa Ukun Eba, but only baby that. Ofa Ukun Nenemba Eba, only baby that, only die with them. How do you deal with that situation? So, share applications and as share immigration rules, Appendix FM now. Share section 1.7a. It talks about adequate maintenance and accommodation. Meanings, Oshe Munswa almost say, so kofa obi aba as oyere and as a wukunu say utimi a show say owo accommodation which is owned or legally occupied by you or your family exclusively okay intino enye say e bia okwakoji hotel per se ebeye okay but technically no hotel may be possible because hotel no e bia na the room bi ewo hotel no any the amount are exclusive to wo and wo family obiamba hobi then it may be possible but it is also important to understand say share accommodation and maintenance section of the immigration rules now so we establish in your maybe say okay a diner may babaji ni panabit name this portion of the diner exclusive to your family into me name and I name your enemy penny be cost part of the house you need to show it into so what could Airbnb dine be in our person with the year application, you know. Now you can clearly show, say, what just our Airbnb done for the next 6 months, and it is exclusive to you. And also for the next 3 months, exclusive to you and your family. Then it may be possible, so with you use accommodation, you know, at the application, you know, the technicalities of the immigration rules. You know. So we share Monsua, they also have to make sure, say, fear nominal will not be overcrowded. You know, say Oko Housing Act 1985, a definition of overcrowding, and none I use to apply. Into the Oko application now or single room, or shared accommodation, HMO, friend housing for multiple occupiers, different families in a TFI near the one room and an amount. Meanwhile, also application a whole year no. Mama Len also when wojire ana wukunu ene ne mba mienu oba baako bema baako in the eba. It is not possible say sa family no mobekwa kwaje one single room na wetinem ewo HMO mo enye possible. Meaning say clearly no that application is going to be refused. You may be able to use short stay lets to show your proofs or enough accommodation to accommodate your family. However, as I would do multiple occupations, so I'm making sure say why and for the circumstances, it may meet it without any issues. Only something that people need to pay particular attention when making such applications.
Now, you bisa a friend is a short leave when nasifu nana. Ya kuyen mani bisa say can a third party support be relied upon to meet the financial requirement under the spouse or a partner of a British citizen visa application?
Yes and no, but let me explain. For instance, say year application under spouse visa, okofa ujire aba, okofa ukunu aba. Yenya say minimum income threshold in 18,600. If other children ekahwa, then it goes up. But for the purpose of this presentation, you use 18,600 as the basis. Into na was salary and soon 18,600. However, wo mame and answer wo for BCO person me support to wo ukuna kwa na ba say is it possible? The answer is no. Wo for now willing say or then a pay slip ebe support him no ain't me emfa the documents ebe support the application emane enyi. However, ubetimi wo for na wo sika pudo bi e wo honom savings bi na opese or the mouth now the two bank accounts as a loaner application then it is possible say wetin you use sika no at the account until for instance say to simplify matters so only 18,600 and I only juma bia until you are not earning any money at all. You need to have savings of 62,500 pounds or bank account. Okay, into say offer because say okay, just 62,500 if I told bank account 6 months preceding the application time then waiting you to we third party support and your application. I must also add say yetimi a proportional until say bia OG 15,000 pounds a year but offer bia mouse be at the support the application at the bank account you bet me a calculation and near the bank account with savings account I support the application on that basis it may be possible say we bet me a use to third party gifts and answer third party support a declaration at the application. Other than that, the only third party support I'll be to me at the year say bia na oba or krum has say let's use oba as an example. What worry be might be our in a jai and our in a woba in our in a jai. In a wooden accord with more maintenance or more support, child support, and answer Bosumi be our bounce can be said for support to and no panel into the ex-personal maintenance payment. So payment no wait media support to salary and I could for
okay.
But just out to me and say for that money it may be possible say ubetimi a use as a support. Say a being so a unya maintenance grant be and I say a be a student finance loan be for undergraduate studies and as a postgraduate study we be so and also ubetimi a that support or application see kind of a aye application akofa ukun and as other akofa uyire. Until there are circumstances be or honoma. It may be possible, say, ubetimi use third-party funds at their support to application, but not all the time.
Okay. You said the lawyer chichi mu amaye no me gidi say what na say e wo ho. Lawyer me busa sa question last na fe makodi enkrofo e de abremi sisi an so am yi ano e de amaye. Odo for hwe obre na 41 minutes past 10. Ye be sorry dwumadi so 11 said me gusu amebo ho de huro no. Enti wo bibia anasa wa asem bia mpacho bomodin aso be frɛ. So when ntimi so a me sa the lawyer number and an address atudwa ma no abomodin afrɛ no na watimi aboa e wo emwa bia office o person lawyer aboa e wo ho. Okay, well, lawyer, you perceive who say, how can a British sponsor, how can a British sponsor support an application for entry clearance by their non-British spouse or partner, where they are self-employed but have not yet filed a tax return? And no, lawyer Mpacho, waiting ye no am
A very difficult situation that many people find themselves because say opese okofa oyire eba opese okofa ukunu eba the understanding is say you need to show your source of income so be a self-employed not or start a employment on timi and filing a tax returns we are going to have very, very difficult situation being able to prove the source of income and as the amount of money or general. Say for gross self-employment income, for taxman or looking at 5th April 2020, and I say 5th April to 5th of April every year in a year tax year for the taxman. If 1 year will self-assessment as I will start self-employment midway through the year now on file tax returns, and my advice to you is train now a tax year and so now file tax returns and send about forward see your application amount because see your application amount there are certain documents that we need to show. One, we need to show tax overview. Okay, say Oko HM revenue portal also or on websites and so you can be able to retrieve tax overview. So our tax overview, Ebimube referred to it as SA302. SA302 a document. It clearly shows how much you've been able to earn and also your profits in a particular tax year are declared to the HM revenue. Without that document, a very, very, very difficult. So you can successfully make an application under the Appendix FM rule to bring or partner under the rules. Say unyan file or tax returns are the only advice I can give such a person is say so hold you on now otimi a finish soon not filing a tax returns if you're back the application emano.
Okay. Yo, abusua mi gusu amefa enkofo question wo betimi de odi aba lawyer me come anima we efri enua be ma kwaku o say good morning lawyer o say I am a dependent child over 21 with 5-year me pacho wa o frame me na me se me pacho betimi afre me say me read bibia ya na e difficult say me hu say wo frenti no say man fa enye bo apayo pa me sro wa mefa wo call no edi amount say we nya sa e try bi mefa edi amount or say I am a dependent child over 21 with 5-year BRP under the old style regulation 2016. I say I also have a pre-settled status. I made an ILR application a month ago relying on my sponsor. However, my EEA is about to go to Ghana for good in July due to health issues. No, happen and the question no. Say please, while my application is still under consideration, what are the best and worst case scenario, and what can I make things well? Or no, yenya bema or no so or didn't question by kweku at the end.
As well, yenya bema no situation, it's difficult, but ain't that difficult.
Okay.
The most important thing is at the date of submission of the application, did you qualify under the rules? Home Office and the upper tribunal, just a recent court decision. I'm say any consideration via efficacy for the they should make that consideration at the date of the application.
Okay.
If you at the date of the application for indefinite leave to remain, now with now has say for 5 years under the pre-settled status scheme, and I say under the EEA regulations. That means at that time, now qualify for indefinite leave to remain. If whilst Home Office for consider application, ne sponsor and fee chromo has a due to health grounds, they cannot use that basis to refuse the application. But just ultimately, I say, internet, that is something that you need to be aware of. But let's hope say decision will come in good time before the sponsor and the Ebeko. But if onya any issues because the sponsor and the Chrome has say it is something that they can easily challenge because of recent upper tribunal court decision on my year say so we year application Home Office should consider the circumstances at the date of the application and not the date of decision making.
Okay. Yo we so every ye nua for no so why audio lemmo na ye ntie de woka.
Mpacho.
My spouse image application 2 years ago. Although say we are married, it's not registered Ewo Krumhasi. And to make application, or Moka say because it's not registered, they will not consider say be our my spouse and our baby. Now into mama had the partner's route for 10 years. Now you're back together until so boy say no you need hope him. Yes, I will be my home before so we separated, So now we have 2 children. I want to know, say, I will see you form a Home Office, say you need hope him because my ex-partner no application expire next year, February. I will see some a mom always say need hope him and I say still now we don't have to. We just want to know the option that we can take into because next year say application they say so but we just want to know say do we have to inform them or not? Thank you.
Okay. Minim se loyalty de no ochre na.
Actually, the question basically for me to summarize the question, one obi aware previously na oma wo nkwala mienu na aware na egu however no omunya inform Home Office for say aware na egu they want to know whether say some catch Home Office and say they need to leave it till time or we're due for renewal. May advice and it comes in 2 folds. I would have loved it say Beman Mumunanka or Fred Anka Obisa question way. Say Beman na Abisa question way says should he inform the Home Officer? Yes and no. And lawyer would say it's me more straightforward answers, and this is one of the questions I want to me more straightforward answer because one say one can't share Home Office for say on ne oban HI na oban efanichi eko catch Home Office for now. Then it is possible say Home Office for will try to revoke the leave to remain, and if Beman it took quite na or back or airport, he can get issues. Okay. Obeti me any problems at airport. If Beman is not planning say obey to quite edia, then he can hold on till time and the current visa and then he can make an application under the child route and the parent of a British child route, not or the renewing application. But if Beman plans to travel within the next 12 months and within the time of visa and the then my advice is say as well the castle now or Home Office for a man now straight away or year application now or switch it from partner route to parent of a British child route now. Because I will still see card here, but it will be advisable so obey any CCR.
Okay. Yenye way so o say obe opese wo hu adwenkyere na fe say say obebe hu anu oba baba be hu but the all kyere nyina ne say oni obi ware a oye EU ni na omode application no etu mu say the 31st yi be ya no yɛbɔ ne donko mi ya na obiara ɛprɛ ne ho na sɛ ɔwɔ application bi a no ayɛ nti ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛyɛ application ɔmo de kɔɔyɛ no yɛ refuse application no na ɔmo refuse yɛ no ɔbaa ɔyɛ ɔbɛrima ɔbaa ɔne ne yɛɛyɛ no sɛ ɔna koraa wɔnyɛ biem opoku mfa ne nkum ɔna wɔnyɛ ɛyi ne biem ne haw nyinaa ne sɛ sɛ deɛ na wɔnyɛ because yɛ refuse application no but yɛ mmaa no chance sɛ ɔbɛtumi a appeal wa ofi sɛ nka ɔbɛbɛtɔ akɔ so na ɔmo appeal no ɔbaa ne se ɔnyɛ biem ɔsi deɛ na ɔnyɛ mfa wie ho.
Sɛ waware obi na egyina nipa na waware no no so nti no wayɛ application akɔto efficacy na yɛ refuse you na ɔbaa ne se ɔnyɛ biom a den na ɔbaa no ɛka sɛ ɔnyɛ biom ɔnware biom anaasɛ ɔnyɛ application ne biom because ɔbaa no is not the one who is doing the application. Bɛrima no na wɔyɛ wɔ application nti no you will have to decide sɛ ɔbɛyɛ appeal anaasɛ ɔnyɛ appeal but sɛ ɔbaa no se ɔnware biom deɛ then me nua bɛrima there's nothing you can do apart from say ɔbɛtoa so na ɔbɛyɛ divorce and then you look for other options future options but sɛ ɔbaa no se ɔnyɛ application ne biom deɛ I don't see it to be here or there because I know no all year application but the expectation is say moye appeal na moko court say ɔbaa ne timi di wechi na or support you or court hearing bia munti so catch us say or no back court then it means say muko do court ground pa ebeye accept unless say you want to consider making an application on an appeal on paper. So we appeal on paper there, then none of you will be required to say court them when these things happen, we always advise say no matter the situation, a lawyer may look at it and give you other options. In this option, the best way may be some appeal on paper and see how things go. But so bad on worry be with so jail bad na or moving on.
That's say wohwe mu a ewe de yakwan ho de wohwe mu a oba no so na wo gina de agye nkrata say oba no se wonye biemu de na say means say me nware biemu ano no because me nya application is just telling you say me nware biemu.
That is the issue. That is the issue because oba no so me nye biemu say that you just on worry biemu. But the reason why bia oba no beka say on worry biemu no maybe bia in same bia akoso during the application process. Most people no omo year application na from for interview and as be omo year application omo anya application ye na in same bi ko
na omo ye ma show mo
but they have to understand say in previous weeks discuss say issues are EU nationals everything enya e wo krom ha say it is a way EU national na say bia why application akọ na efficacy mu for feel say our no was marriage of convenience and I say enya ware pa and I say indimu na instead they say obe yiwa no decide say obe dwane apa realize say it will come back to hurt you because your application for settled status and I say utukwana wo ba they can stop you and it is one of the bases on betimi revoke or settled status. So we your ban our application now your EU national. Ben can say make JHD, making sure say where you are no ama just don't walk away and leave because it can cause problems for you in future.
Wow. Abusiani enne da wanim no na yesi ochiam ya onim asam kan wose na wasuma enti we dey masuma na lawyer ye just 6 minutes to go in fact less than that na major ama say we bibi a we ka dey atwa to ama ya Mr. Our platform no is yours.
Yo me da si bebre next week ye better see a better questions way so because we have about 20 or more questions that we want to go over just under partners of British nationals and Momukra indefinite category and that's how detailed you see say any rule and as any category under the immigration rules detailed in send be a woman and for not almost show no because going forward EU application Rebecca say I garbage we application under those who are and most applications is going to come under this route internet. It's very, very important say you best start are prepared to understand the basis of these applications and then we get it done and done properly. Moreover, that's so echo Milton Keynes every Thursday.
Okay.
In listeners are just realize say enye London Honzi penny wo by your Milton Keynes into every Thursday biano ye bahonom 9:30 to 5:30 if we hear appointment to come and see us but more than na bra na be huye na yebetimi anywhere whatever needs to be done. You don't necessarily have to come all the way to your London office to come and see us. In the meantime, EU for any omebusian for omo backroom han yeni ayaka sisi ano wo backroom ha enya asem ketwa wo do airport odoma butu and none of an incident a see na me di ho adwuma anopa we obi a yakwakofa ne ba efifi ba wa be do airport ahomachi a detain ne wo. These are the issues which is going on my advice to people I can platform where you say wo backroom has we EU new kwakofa wo ba kwakofa wo kwakofa wo aba. The best thing is a more days wo ba weekday we sell. Because and now as I may see and yes or Sunday be or Fred lawyer ada baby anka one when people tell me say oh I want to make a family baba but you may think say there's nothing in that application that makes me cause problems amount but since you no omen bio omeni airport 20 questions and I know Panama from 5 a.m. till about 9:30 and suddenly Johnny Panama na coffee.
And you're not just a walk around when done
Debbie. And these are the things which is going on regular basis. Say omo ye EU form kwako form baba omo ye EU form kwako form obusuan fo aba omo be do airport on my questions are air cost no enya sem ketwa. Say ukwako obi aboa am why application I'm a device and amount. A good news, perfect. But do the courtesy say we're catching you and say lawyer Monday, Mpesa nakulane fi Ghana. Baba do has Baba do Tuesday, Baba do Wednesday, so that we are expecting that person. And the documents mean so you be here no so the amount lawyer no. I'm waiting because. If not for those things, na your word that the efforts are allowing one, and can be realized that getting the
hard drink.
You know, people should take notice and do the right thing. Yeah, the visa nema wa enye no pe, but more than the ma o lawyer na emboa na nipa na embe rakronim enwie. So there was a bejo. Into no any question or any issue. Say they are okay, we are always available a free consultation. We are one of the few lawyers who do not charge for consultation.
Brother swear na way free I read what the man read now say good morning ma'am, good morning lawyer, or say I want to thank you for all that you've done for me through this process and how you handled my arrival detention situation. I am very grateful and thank you once again. Enti we ye nua ba dia ono so da lawyer say na make no bebre no lawyer na dwuma ankasa ebo hu de huro man krofo be dia dance say oye adwuma pa. Eno enti no mesre wa me kanfo de ama say wunya enti lawyer anka de ne wati bi wanti bi kura na Irene ebo ni de huro say lawyer aboa no ama abra editeni no lawyer ye bibia ma bibia toto na akwan so fefe enti ye do besi ha say ni aka say thank you so much lawyer sorry say me je no because me brother kokra we just 52 seconds say me di be wi enti no ye beda mo asese da ne da ye ba mo je your first so mo hwe o Facebook people cho un like ya like na share na obi susu ntimi ntie bi e bia na emboa wo bate beboa ma obi nyame ya adoma na wo twe se ne ye beba aba besom ne ye be sa betoa questions ne so enti ye wo de ready say you di anu ama wa ugbo ankasa so be bisa wo de ana so be record wo de say de bi mo ye no ne abo ama lawyer eyi ensem ni nyina ano de ama ye mfefefe enti no ebina da bia ne ba besom 10 ni asori so 11 ti nyame ya adoma na wo twe se ne ye besa aba na ya ba aba besom medi edi mama len mene eye lawyer Daniel Quell ena ene ye ba besom Fortwell Solicitors for ena ye ni wo ehia ebina da bia tibo modern asa obekọ ma share bibia go platform ne so o address o mu bibia o Facebook o numbers bibia o Facebook platform ne so aha na edu besie ya crow bye bye right laya ye wie ye free radio no so ntino na che se ye di besi ha se na nyame ya adoma ye beto aso na o twese ne have a great day yeah thank you so much bye bye
Juma was in and John about Betty I was in, busy and John about I guess this is watching. Is somebody who be out to me? I guess this is watching. Is somebody who be out to me? You know, busy and my minya. I'm back home for now. Fabi, I'm a Jimmy. This year, my
na me ka say so pa chede pa de na na stay tuned because me wa chede pa me de ba be chen crofo nti no so ma ofidie ne da GN radio na me wa chede pa me de ma
busy. I'm your mom, Jesus, so my nigga who do. Now there be so many, there be so many, there be so many. I'm your mom, Jesus, so my nigga who do. I'm your mom, Jesus, so my nigga. Oh my God, the music just turns me on.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Hey, send us in a hot day and old in Bashende. Put your mama lane.
Part to part, it's all attacking game. Mama Lina take a lead. I'm feeling radio so bad. It's all attacking game. Mama Lina take a lead. I'm feeling radio so bad. My goodness, I can't stop listening to Mama Lee.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Yeah, straight up and down. My name is Achi Palago, aka No Size. Oba on Chawa, Dias in the Tubanchia Bonia, Nelson Mama Lane, Tubanchia, no dia. It's in a say, see the show, now do the echo.
Anytime